Cool things to do in Quintana Roo, Mexico. Floating down ancient Mayan canals in Sian Biosphere Reserve. Sian Mayan, for where the sky is born, is a 1.3 million acre biosphere reserve near Tulum, Mexico. It's one of the most beautiful part of the Yucatan Peninsula. Located behind the Muyil Mayan ruins, you can visit with a tour or on your own. On this adventure, you'll discover ruins, wetlands, freshwater lagoon, inland jungle, observation tower, mangrove forests, and float down Mayan carved canals.